In today's video, I am going to teach you how to leverage HubSpot Insights for company information. The goal here is simple. You will turn on HubSpot Insights for companies and then create a company record using only a domain name. HubSpot will use that domain to fetch and fill in key details for you, which can save time and keep your CRM more consistent. Start by going to Settings in your HubSpot account. You will find it by clicking the gear icon. Inside Settings, locate the section for Objects, and then choose Companies. This is where you control how company records behave and which tools can help populate them. Within the company settings, look for the option to fill company properties using HubSpot Insights and switch it on. Turning this on allows HubSpot to automatically pull in company information when it recognizes a business domain. This can reduce manual typing and helps ensure that common fields are completed in a standardized way. After Insights is enabled, move to your CRM. From there, go to Companies and select the option to create a new company. When the Create window opens, type the company domain name into the domain field. Use only the domain itself, like a website address, and keep it clean. For example, you generally want the main domain rather than a long page link. The domain is the key that HubSpot uses to look up the company. Once you enter the domain, pause briefly and watch the Properties section. If HubSpot Insights finds a match, you should see fields begin to populate automatically. Common examples include the company industry, the company location, and estimated revenue. Depending on the company and the available data, you may also see other details fill in. Take a moment to scan the populated fields for accuracy and completeness. Autofilled data is a great starting point, but it is still smart to confirm it looks correct before saving. When you are ready, click Create to finalize the company record with the fetched Insights data. That covers everything you need to know.